The Dyson V9 Motorbar Cordless Vacuum is a versatile cleaning tool designed by Dyson to efficiently clean hard floors and carpets. It features a powerful yet lightweight design, weighing just 4.6 pounds, and offers up to 40 minutes of fade-free suction. This model includes 3 power modes and converts easily to a handheld vacuum for versatile use around the home and car. Equipped with the Motorbar cleaner head, it deep cleans all floor types and automatically detangles hair. The innovative hair screw tool removes long and pet hair from upholstery, stairs, and pet beds without tangling. An LCD screen displays power modes, remaining run time, and maintenance alerts. The vacuum comes with advanced whole machine filtration that captures allergens and fine dust, ensuring cleaner air. Included accessories are a crevice tool, combination tool, wall dock, and charger. Ideal for pet owners and households seeking a lightweight yet powerful cordless vacuum, the Dyson V9 offers convenience and thorough cleaning. Its portability and efficient battery life make it perfect for quick cleanups and detailed tasks alike. Backed by Dyson's support and a 2-year warranty, it's a reliable choice for maintaining a spotless home.